This is a short tutorial on the options you have in using text formatting techniques in Microsoft Word. I'll use this group right here, the font group, located on the Home tab. And it's important to realize that you need to always select before you affect. So the text needs to be selected before you make any of your changes up here. So for example, I'll select this paragraph right here. Coming up here, this is where I have my options for all of my fonts. The name of the font is written in the style. If you notice that the font is written in all capital letters, that means it is an all caps font. It does not have any lowercase letters within the font. And the preview is on, so as you hover your mouse pointer over a font, you can see how that looks. Font sizes are located here. Live preview is on as well. These are the grow and shrink font icons. So if I grow the font, it bumps it up to the next font size, and vice versa down. Bold, italics, and underline located here. So if I were to select a word, apply a bold, or I can turn that feature off. Some other options: when you are selecting some text and you make various changes to it, with that text still selected, we can use this right here for the Format Painter, which copies and pastes format, not actual text, but the format that it's applied. If I click the Format Painter button one time, I then can paint one time to some other part of my document. If I double-click the Format Painter, then I can continuously paint on my document, taking the formats and painting them where I want. When I'm done, I'll turn the painter off. So for example, I'm going to take this a little bit smaller. My text is selected. Format Painter one time. You can see the I-beam has a little paintbrush next to it. I can drag, and as soon as I let off, the formats are painted. With the selection that I like, I can double-click. Now I can drag and select, and the painter is still active. When I'm done, I go back and I turn the painter off. Okay. That's a quick overview of using some of your text formatting techniques. One other thing I'll remember is this. Opens up the dialog box. So many of these things are available right in here that are available up here in icon form. This is just giving you the option of working off a dialog box. And I'll close that up.